In this Tesla series, we will install and showing off this LED front light strip for Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X owners. If you've ever wanted to add lighting to your Tesla trunk, this would be an amazingly easy to install lighting upgrade. This LED light bar will illuminate every item in your trunk, and the lighting can be any color you want. What I have in my hand now is trunk LED light bar from T-Series. That's specifically made for Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and Model S owners. It is very easy to install. We can install it by ourselves. We don't need to destroy any wiring of the original car. Just plug and play. It uses the 12 safety voltage of our original emergency lights. This product has special plug to take power. However, in terms of the installation of the light strip, normally we only need 5 minutes to finish it. We must have seen the sealing tape when we opened the front trunk. Just turn over the back of the package edge. The light strip stuck in it. Its body is a flame retardant flexible strip using 2835 lamp beads. This lamp beads in the light is very uniform, and power consumption is extremely low. Only 6 watts per meter. It is available in 16 colors. So you can create your own unique color for a perfect upgrade to your car. That's the LED front light strip. It not only gives you better lighting conditions for normal use, but also upgrades your Tesla interior. So hurry up and order it from T-Series.